Yo, what's good, YouTube? Hey, we got something different for real coming today. We going to a car meeting, y'all. Y'all see the wheel? Y'all see the wheel? You know what I'm saying? I'm here with my boy Asho. We go to the car meet and we finna tee up. Y'all finna see everything that you seen earlier. Let's get to it though.
Wait, chop it up off the plate. How long? 10 Baker's king, smoke a face half.
Hey y'all, we at this hoe, bro, and nigga, hey, they got some shit out here for real, man. Hey, niggas going crazy out here, bro, for real.
A little bit farther up, but yeah.
It should make me want to get a new car. Hey, y'all drop down in the comments, what kind of car y'all want?
Look left.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all want like the Mopars, the Hellcats, and all that shit, but y'all like whatever the other shit is called, you know what I'm saying? Y'all like Beamers, y'all like Mustangs, you know what I'm saying? Tell me you don't like your girls that they know how to drive.
Come on, bro. They gotta know how to drive. They gotta know how to do all the above, bro. Can't have no bitch who can't drive. Crazy. Look, there she go right there. Gotta have a bitch that drive.
Hey y'all see this shit? I got a Beam right now, and like I ain't gonna lie, like that shit sexy than a hoe. You know what I'm saying? Like. Hey, out here going crazy, bitch. Like, you know what I'm saying? Look, y'all, look. If y'all like, comment, subscribe, I promise you we'll have some shit like this. That's all you gotta do, like, comment, subscribe, bro. That's it. Save it. That hoe say SRT. That's that shit, boy, for real. Oh shit. That tree almost took me out. Hey, y'all see the tire? That he be drifting, man. He be going to the track. I promise you. With them tires, oh yeah. Hey y'all, I just got word that there's some Lambos at this house, so we finna go check them hoes out. Y'all don't know about y'all, but Lambos is always everybody's dream car. You know what I'm saying? So y'all finna see real quick. Do y'all not see this shit? Like the Bumblebee yellow lamb, like hey look, 2 years, give me 2 years, I'm getting a lamb truck. Oh god, 2 years lamb truck. And look, y'all can't forget about the motherfucking classic GTR. Like, come on now. Sheesh. No cap, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. My inner child is going crazy right now for these cars. It's like I'm looking at Hot Wheels and I'm living in motherfucking Fast and Furious, but like this nigga's 350 is spitting, like literally. It's cold than a bitch outside, and I just want y'all to know, man, y'all need to keep this hoe in y'all pocket. You see this? This Bird Bees, look. Boom, now you straight. You ain't gonna be roasted for your dry ass lips. Back to the video. I'm sorry, y'all, but y'all can't tell me that Beams is not sexy. Beam team or no team, for real. bro. Beamers is really where it's at. Like, y'all niggas start sleeping on the Beam team. Like, look at the Beam team. Team going crazy. Look, Beam team, no team. Like I said, bro. Beam team, no team. You feel me? Hey, boy, 40 is crazy. I lost my mic. This motherfucker here, nigga, that hoe is moving, as you can see.
Sir.
But shit, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Just gonna get up.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. Apartment's lit in a bitch. Hey, I appreciate you, Asho. You know what I'm saying? Bringing me out.
Real, appreciate you, man.
You feel me? You feel me? Hey, if y'all really fucking the car meets and shit, y'all like this video, let me get 20 likes. 20 likes, and I'll go to the next car meet. When the next car meet?
Next car meet, shit, we just gonna have to find out.
All right, it's a bet. Hey, look, y'all heard the man. 20 likes. Let's get it. You feel me? Hey, also back down in the comments, you feel me? Drop what kind of car you want. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I gotta get that M Sport. You feel me? That M Performance. That shit right there is nasty. Everybody got the Hellcats and shit. You know what I'm saying? Them hoes is still nice though, but them hoes is oversaturated. You know what I'm saying? Beam team, no team. Like I've been saying all night. Man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep running it up. You feel me? Jet out.
My name a little skate, yeah, I go hard, like Weezy out the mixtape.
I give a drip, that ass had a dictate. That nigga broke, I know he is a cheapskate.
Yeah, look, ain't no back and forth, ain't no back and forth.